Welcome back everyone to another episode of the Q&A Wednesday. We have again 5 questions जो कि आप लोगों ने पूछे थे. कहाँ पे पूछा था आप लोगों ने? कम्युनिटी टैब में. तो जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि हम कैसे पूछ सकते हैं क्वेश्चन, एवरी मंथ वी अपलोड और वी पोस्ट इन द कम्युनिटी टैब कि हम लोग क्वेश्चन ले रहे हैं फॉर आंसरिंग इन द क्वेश्चन आंसर वीडियो. तब आप अपना क्वेश्चन डाल सकते हो. दैट्स हाउ वी कैन पिक इट अप. एंड या सो नाउ अभी 5 लोगों ने दिया था क्वेश्चन, तो वो 5 लोगों का हमने सिलेक्ट किया. एंड वाई 5 क्वेश्चंस इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस Q&A सीरीज? बिकॉज सो दैट वी कैन टॉक इन लेंथ. हमको ना ऐसा एक वर्ड में बोल के नहीं भागने का है. एंड लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो कि हम लोग को लाइव में पूछते हैं हम नहीं बता पाते हैं, क्योंकि लाइव इज नॉट फॉर आंसरिंग these deep questions. We want to keep the live stream limited to interacting with the fans and the followers and the supporters and the good wishers that we have, well wishers that we have. And this is the segment where we will be answering your questions. So starting, we have a question that goes like this. Being in a society, I have always been told that bhoot voot kuch nahi hota, but then watching your videos explaining the existence of paranormal, आई एम कन्फ्यूज कि शुड आई बिलीव इन घोस्ट एंड स्पिरिट्स. और एक डाउट था कि क्या हम जो डेली चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं मरने के बाद हम वो चीज़ यूज़ कर पाएंगे.
भूत वूत कुछ नहीं होता.
भूत वूत कुछ नहीं.
एंड मरने के बाद वो चीज़ का क्या करेगा? फोन तू क्या करेगा मरने के बाद?
एंड अगर हम
हिस्ट्री डिलीट करने भूला होगा.
अगर हम सोचे कि भूत वूत कुछ नहीं होता, अगर कोई बोल रहा है तो एक्चुअली एक तरीके से देखो भूत वूत कुछ नहीं होता. जब वो बोलते हैं दे आर राइट. व्हाई? बिकॉज भूत वूत कुछ नहीं होता इन द वे दैट द भूत आर पोर्ट्रेट टू बी या फिर बिलीव्ड टू बी. वैसा भूत नहीं होता है सफेद साड़ी में, लाल साड़ी में, बीच में हाँ लंबे दांत, नाखून, ये वो घूमता सर, वो वैसे भूत नहीं होता है. सो इन दैट एस्पेक्ट दे आर राइट. लेकिन हम अगर थोड़ा सा अपना पर्सपेक्टिव अगर चेंज कर देंगे, एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट कॉन्शियसनेस, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दीज एस्पेक्ट्स, देन यस, हम जैसे एनर्जी बोलते हैं, एनर्जी होती है which survives physical death.
And I think adding to that, in a way, अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या बिलीव करें क्या नहीं बिलीव करें, I think you should maintain that attitude some way or the other. क्योंकि जैसे हम लोग का भी होल पॉइंट ये है कि that you should question things. तो अगर सोसाइटी बोल रही है कि नहीं है तो क्यों नहीं है, अगर हम बोल रहे हैं तो हैं तो कैसे हैं. वो मेंटालिटी अगर आप रखोगे ना, नॉट जस्ट फॉर पैरानॉर्मल बट फॉर एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ, ना तो आपको रिलेशनशिप में धोखा मिलेगा, ना तो यूल गेट पीपल जो कि कमीने निकलेंगे, ना तो यूल गेट अ जॉब और डू अ जॉब जिसमें आपको मज़ा नहीं आएगा. सो ऑलवेज हैव दिस मेंटेलिटी ऑफ क्वेश्चनिंग थिंग्स एंड इट्स ओके. यू डू नॉट हैव टू बिलीव एवरीथिंग वी आर सेइंग, यू डू नॉट हैव टू बिलीव एवरीथिंग सोसाइटी इज सेइंग. हैव योर ओन रिसर्च, हैव योर ओन बिलीव. एंड जो भी आप बिलीव करते हो, द होल आइडिया इज के जी जान लगा के बिलीव करने का, वॉट एवर यू बिलीव इन. नहीं तो फिर क्या होता है, कल को कोई कुछ और बोल देगा कि भूत तो ऐसा एलियंस वाले यार, ऑल द एलियंस आर भूत्स, आप वो बिलीव करने लग जाओगे. ऑलवेज क्वेश्चन थिंग्स. आई थिंक दैट्स अ मेंटालिटी ऑल थ्री ऑफ अस हैव, आवर टीम मेंबर्स हैव.
और बिलीव करके करोगे ये क्या? Right. If at all you don't believe in certain things, don't believe in it. But at the same time, don't question the ones who believe in it.
Yeah. Like respect.
Keep an open mind.
Have an open mind and respect, guys. I think there is space for everyone in this world. कोई believe करे नहीं करे, doesn't matter. It's at the end of the day, do you believe? No, it's fine. You believe? Yes, that's also fine.
हाँ, but one more other thing I would like to add over here. अगर कोई भूत वगैरह बोल के आपको डरा रहा है, then don't believe.
Yeah, तब तो red flag है वो पूरा एकदम. Next question is, do you all read any spiritual books like Gita? And second question is, how to know that if my house has some negative energy and how can we remove them without cleansing? I would like to start with the first one. Yes, I have read Gita multiple times, Bhagavad Gita. Every time, I think Pooja knows this, every time I'm confused or I'm looking for some answer in spirituality or I'm trying to understand the situation, there is no other book, and because it's of my limited, क्योंकि मैंने ज़्यादा book पढ़े भी नहीं है, but because I've read Gita, so I can say from my point of view, personal point of view, that every time I've been confused in some way or the other related to anything, not just के ऐसा deep life के बारे में, not necessary, but anything in my life, Gita has been, Bhagavad Gita has always been that book which has given me answers. So yes, I have read it. a lot of times. Pooja, I think तुमने भी share
Yes,
किया था that
yes.
you have read as
I've
a
read.
kid. I think Savio भैया ने भी बोला था that he has also read some I think verses of Gita as well.
No, I've read the entire Gita. I've read all the Vedas.
Yes.
I've read the Quran. I've read the Bible several times, and I mean, I've taken pieces of information from all these
Yes.
things and pieced it together, and I believe in all those things.
Yeah. So yes, we do read, and there are other books too that we have read which are related to spirituality somehow or the other. We can call them modern spirituality. So वो भी हमने पढ़ा हुआ है. So that answers your first question. Second question: how to know that if my house has some negative energy and how can we remove them without cleansing? There is no method other than cleansing. Very honestly, some way or the other you will perform a cleansing. Either you do it, or you ask us, or you ask someone from your locality or your friend वाला contact to do. Cleansing तो करने का ही है, because cleansing का literal meaning क्या होता है कि कोई चीज़ को हटाना है. तो अगर आपके घर में नेगेटिविटी है तो आप तो हटाओगे ही ना, वही हो गया cleansing. Now that method of cleansing can vary from team to team, person to person, method to method. At the end of the day आपको क्या चाहिए? घर में शांति. If your place has negativity, and that's what should matter कि cleansing बस उतना काम कर देना चाहिए कि बिना आपको आपकी काटे कोई आपका घर cleanse कर दे. That's the whole idea. How to know negativity होती है? You will know. हम लोग बार बार बोल चुके हैं, बट अभी फिर से बोलना सही नहीं लगता, क्योंकि you'll get your signs, you'll get your activities happening, there'll be things happening in your life, around your body, around your
हम लोगों ने
senses.
पहले एपिसोड्स में कवर
Yeah.
किया हुआ है.
So you will know if there is negativity.
Even go to the earlier episodes and check.
But we have a tendency to blame it on the ghost every time our life messes up. Don't do that.
I see this question as being
yeah.
like, बिना स्नान किए हम I mean, how to smell good in our body. आप परफ्यूम डालो, डिओड्रेंट डालो, कुछ भी डालो, अल्टीमेटली अंदर जो है गंदगी बाहर आने वाली है. So the best way is without cleansing नहीं, you first cleanse yourself and then afterwards add on whatever perfume you want. It's all right.
Yeah. And the next question we have is क्या कोई पैरासाइकोलॉजिस्ट इतना स्ट्रांग हो सकता है कि वो स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड से कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके वहाँ ट्रैप ना हो और वापस फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में आ सके? भाई लोग, ये साइकिक्स लोग क्या करते हैं?
नहीं, लेकिन एक मिनट, ये पर्सन शायद कंफ्यूज्ड है कि स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड में पैरासाइकोलॉजिस्ट जाते हैं एंड वहां से इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हैं और फिर वापस आते हैं.
नहीं,
हमारे पास स्वाइप कार्ड है, उसका नंबर भी है.
नहीं, इट डज नॉट हैपन दैट वे. आप कोई, बिकॉज स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड इज अ डिफरेंट डायमेंशन. आप ये फिजिकल बॉडी के साथ वो डायमेंशन में नहीं जा सकते. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप कहीं जा रहे हो एंड इंफॉर्मेशन ले रहे हो कि वहां पर आप ट्रैप हो गए और फिर आप आ रहे हो. वैसा नहीं होता है. And it's more about our connecting our consciousness to that dimension and gathering information via our psychic senses. Yeah. It's not about actually going and getting trapped. And consciousness, it doesn't get trapped over there.
Yeah. Too much sci-fi fantasy movies you are watching.
But we go up and down होता रहता है. But then afterwards, yeah, I mean, ये physical body लेके ऐसा कोई दरवाजा खुल जा, सिम हम अंदर गए और बाहर.
पोर्टल नहीं, वैसा वो नहीं
होता है.
Yeah. And this question, is it okay to go on ghost tours? I don't know about other tours, but to ghost encounters tours, it's absolutely okay, safe. One of the best ideas you can have as a human being, one of the best decisions you can take in your life. Yes, you can be a part of our tours, ghost encounters tours. I think ये video आता है तो yes, there is ghost encounters tours Alibag happening. Most probably in the month जो अभी आ रहा होगा, नहीं तो जुलाई 28 से 30th तक है वो टूर. महाबलेश्वर अभी हुआ, it was a sold out tour. Again we are having in Alibag. Already few seats जा चुके हैं, कुछ ही बचे होंगे. If you are interested, the link is in the description. Come and experience for yourself. I think when you decide that should I go bungee jumping, you don't question के ये strap ठीक ठाक होगा ना, ये defense ठीक ठाक होगा. नहीं, you just trust the instructor and you jump. Same way here in this world, in the world of paranormal, when we are doing the tours, हम लोग इतना assurance दे सकते हैं कि nothing will happen to you. बच्चे आते हैं, बूढ़े आते हैं, हर एक बीच के लोग, सब कोई आते हैं, and they all love the tours, not just because of what they experience, but the things they learn, the things they take with them, and then they are not spirits, they are knowledge.
बच्चे
जो
मतलब
उनको मिलता है।
बहुत छोटे बच्चे नहीं।
6 साल का बच्चा नहीं, मतलब अभी मेरे लिए तो बच्चा ही
हाँ,
होगा ना, हम लोग के
नहीं
लिए।
खाली clarification के लिए।
And by ghost tours, if you're meaning, I mean, the control tour that we are organizing, you definitely can come. It's as good as reading any book and gaining knowledge from that. And हम तीन बैठे हैं, हम तीनों भी किताबें जैसी हैं. You can ask us whatever you need, and we can guide you on that. But by ghost tours, if you mean on your own, if you're going to some investigation in some fort or abandoned or haunted place, then no.
Yeah.
एंड इवन मतलब ऐसे रैंडम भी बहुत लोग करते हैं, बट प्लीज चेक ऑन द ऑथेंटिसिटी, वी वोंट
Yeah,
सजेस्ट।
and I'll not take names. पता चला गवर्नमेंट टू गवर्नमेंट ही सू कर दिया हम लोग को. There is a particular government, state government, that is doing ghost tours, ghost guided tours. You'll know when you search, and a lot of people are flocking to those tours, and it's all good because they're promoting something that we already have been doing. My only concern out there is the people who are taking you to those places, are they aware of the energies which are actually present there? Are they aware of what those energies are capable of? Are they aware to what extent those energies or entities can harm you or not harm you? You know, are they aware that what precautions should be taken while going to these tours? Are you people shielded? Are you people told how to protect yourself? If no, I think you should reconsider before going on such tours. All these pointers I mentioned, we take care of them quite clearly, and from the very beginning of the tour. You will know क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, किधर क्या करना है. Everything will be told. If you do not know, I know there are a lot of people who do that. I have no complaints to them. Even if you are going, ask them कि you know कि maybe you should have someone who knows कि ये field में क्या होता है.
एंड अगर if
It's
it's
very
taken
important.
care of, then कोई problem नहीं है, but make sure
yeah.
everything that he mentioned is taken care
क्योंकि
of.
जैसे कि when you go to a ऐसे वाइल्ड लाइफ सफारी में जाते हो, there has to be someone who understands the jungle, the forest, कि कौन सा मार्क देख के आपको पता चलेगा कि शेर है या कौवा है या कुछ है, कब हमको रिट्रैक्ट करना होता है, कब हमको नहीं जाने का होता है. Only a person who is in the jungle, knows the jungle, knows the wildlife can do that.
See,
अगर नहीं होता तो it will only harm you.
The reason why you would go for a bungee jumping or a parasailing adventure, or for that matter even rappelling or something like that, is to educate yourself over it and get over your fear, right?
Yeah.
So if somebody is taking you to any such tour with the knowledge of complete when putting you into a fear psychosis कि वहाँ पे जाके ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, और तुमको डरा देगा कि यहाँ पर ऐसा है, सदियों से ये है, वो है, ये सांप है, वो बिच्छू है, ये, then I think so that person is doing a great disservice to the world of paranormal.
उधर तो as it is इंसान की वाइब्रेशन पूरी लो करके पूरी लो ले जा रहे हैं.
And on the other,
it can make them more.
And on the other hand of the spectrum, there are also people who themselves are skeptics and will try to tell you that no, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah. So just be
aware. Be aware.
That's
be
important.
vigilant.
And we are always open for any state government that wants to do something in collaboration. Just to let you know, guys, if you're watching and you are from the government and you want to pitch, just to let you know, over the past 1 year, we have hosted over 7 editions in different cities of the country, and over 70 people have joined us. They've experienced paranormal in ways no one has ever experienced. They love the tours. They're coming. There are people who have attended 4 to 5 tours over the last 1 year. They love it so much. And I'm sure we can always be at service for people who are interested. If not, we are always there. हम लोग तो कर ही रहे हैं. And there's a reason we charge the way we charge, is because we provide you things जो कि कोई body आपको नहीं दे पाएगा. And that's my everything to these tours. And on to the last question of this episode. Sarbajit bhai, love your content. It has helped me overcome my fear of horror and paranormal. You are one of the most credible investigators out there. Thank you. Will you ever explore the Conjuring House and other foreign horrors? Also, it would be great if you react to the Trigger Insan's newest real horror story, Love from Bengal. That's happening. I don't know वो वीडियो आ चुका है या आएगा, but I think it has. अगर आ चुका है तो लिंक कर दिया जाएगा. कार वाली
Haunted. कल देखें.
It's happening. अगर हो चुका है तो लिंक में मिल जाएगा, आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. नहीं हुआ तो it's happening soon. But answering the Conjuring House, yes guys, it will happen. टाइमलाइन हमको पता नहीं है कब क्या, बट ऑफ कोर्स एज इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स अगर हम लोग इंडिया में इतने सारे हॉरर हैं भाई साहब कि वो खत्म हो जाए तो हम इंडिया के बाहर पक्का जाने वाले हैं. बट इंडिया में देयर आर सो मेनी मिस्ट्रीज एंड हिस्ट्रीज एंड सुपरनैचुरल, प्रिटेरनैचुरल, ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ सिनोनिम्स टू दिस वर्ल्ड है. बहुत सारे हैं. द प्लान इज टू कवर एवरी इंच, गो टू एवरी रूरल, अर्बन, सेमी अर्बन, सेमी रूरल places of India and investigate the claims of paranormal, the stories you people have and you people say, वो हम करेंगे पहले. एंड जैसे ही हमको चांस मिलता है कॉन्जरिंग क्या हर एक पार्ट ऑफ द ग्लोब जहाँ पे हॉन्टेड लोकेशंस हैं, हमारी लिस्ट रेडी है. हम जाएंगे, हम इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे. बट मीन वाइल व्हाट यू कैन डू टू हेल्प अस इज कमेंट डाउन बिलो एनी ऑफ द हॉन्टेड लोकेशन दैट इज इन योर लोकेलिटी और अ प्लेस दैट यू हैव बीन टू एंड यू फील लाइक यू नो व्हाट, सरबजीत भाई, पूजा दी, साइबर भाई, मेरे को ना ऐसा अजीब सा फील होता है वहाँ पे. आई थिंक देयर इज समथिंग आउट देयर, मे बी यू गाइस शुड चेक. Give us more information, DM us, email us, and we will see the photos. We'll figure out with the psychics कि क्या है क्या नहीं, and we might just go and investigate that place, and all the credits will be to you because it was only because of you कि हम वो जगह पे गए. Now, since this topic is anyway brought in, I think the most important thing that's happening this year, which is not of the Conjuring House, is ScareCon 2023. ScareCon is as of now is Asia's biggest paranormal convention. No one in India or Asia does a paranormal convention. It's like annual function of ghost encounters and pairs. Every year we meet around Halloween and we talk about horror, paranormal. We bring in people and we host panels, workshops and everything. It all happens. The only issue is this year we know there will be more than 200-300 people जो कि आएंगे, and the issue is we do not get any sponsors. It's all from our money and everything. But right now, considering the number of people we'll be getting, it's kind of difficult to put in our own money because the budget kinds of is in the 6 digits में होता है उसका budget. It's not a small event. It's 1 लाख में भी नहीं होता है, just to give you an idea. It's more than that. And I think we're still discussing. I'm just letting you know, should we start a crowdfunding? Can we trust you guys to help us organize ScareCon? If you guys comment down below and let us know, give us the confidence, give us the support, we might start a crowdfunding. It will have a lot of elements so that everyone who donates is benefited somewhere or the other from the services we do or provide or the things we deal with. It can be anything. It can be free merchandise to free services to free tickets to your name in the ScareCon Hall of Fame. It can be anything ranging from these things and many more. But we will need your answers, your support in this thing. We will put everything के हम वो budget में क्या करने वाले हैं और क्या क्या होता है. We are not looking for profit, very honestly. We just only want to cover the basics and everything out there so that we can give you the best experience, the best convention you can ever attend, which is horror based. There is Comic-Con already. We are not competing with them. This is horror. This is paranormal. We have been doing this for the past 6 years now, 7 years.
Yeah.
6 years actually.
And since its inception, we have never
Yeah.
really thought about it as a profiteering event.
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
just to
Yes.
network, just
Yes.
to meet like-minded
and
people.
like-minded people, and it's to celebrate paranormal, guys. That has been the whole idea जो हम लोग करते हैं, to make paranormal normal. वो है हम लोग का idea, and everything we do in between revolves around that. ScareCon is such initiative. Like I said, we have been doing this for the past 5 years. ये 6th year है उसका. हम कर लेते had we, अगर हमको पता होता कि अच्छा you know what कि 100 लोग आएंगे, 200
Yeah,
लोग
so
आएंगे.
that's why we could manage it till last year
Yes.
क्योंकि we knew,
Yeah.
but
इस
all
बार
of us
हमको
together
पता है
have seen the
surge,
spike, the
हमको पता है
surge,
ज्यादा लोग
so-
आएंगे, and हम चाहते भी हैं कि ज्यादा लोग आए, but for that we need a bigger venue, bigger space and more money. Very honestly, we're just being honest because we have been honest from the past few months जब से हम constantly content डाल रहे हैं. And yes,
Yeah, we have always been on it.
yeah, नहीं मतलब ज्यादा as in कि we are putting everything out कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है, किसकी तबीयत खराब है, किसका गला बैठा है.
हाँ.
People now know us inside out from our Instagram and YouTube and everything. So इसलिए ये टॉपिक नहीं तो ये हम हर साल फेस करते हैं स्पॉन्सरशिप नहीं.
Yeah, वो तो
And without complaining,
Paranormal सुन के ही भाग जाते
yeah,
हैं.
without complaining, we go head on and we still do it. इस बार भी हम करना चाहते हैं and we want more people. But like I said, we will need your confidence, we'll need your support. Do comment down below and maybe we'll start a crowdfunding for ScareCon 2023. And बाकी चीज़ तो होती रहेंगी, वो तो हम करते रहेंगे, उसके लिए no complaints. And that's it, I think, for this episode.
Yep.
लंबा खिंच गया. But this was something important that we thought we should address and हमने कर दिया. बाकी आपके हवाले एंड दैट्स इट गाइस. अगर हम 100K भी नहीं पहुंचे हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो. यू कैन ऑलवेज अनसब्सक्राइब इफ यू डू नॉट लाइक आवर कंटेंट. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. No charges at all. All you have to do is just, you know, kind of वो finger या फिर mouse लाके वो red वाले button को, you know, just press it. That's what you have to do and you're subscribed. Congratulations and thank you for all the love, all the support and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.